Meaning of flushed.
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 Flushed. The word flushed can have a few different meanings depending on the context. In general, it means to become reddened or to turn red. This can happen due to embarrassment, anger, exertion during exercise, or even due to being overheated. The result of feeling flushed is typically a warm sensation in the affected area, along with visible redness or discoloration. Some people may also experience sweating, increased heart rate, or other physical symptoms when they become flushed. Overall, being flushed usually indicates some kind of heightened emotional or physiological response.